Hi there, Dave Cox here from RV City. Hey, I just wanted to let you know that our whole team just got back from Middlebury, Indiana. This is where Jayco builds all their RVs, and we had a chance to go and visit their facilities, massive facilities down there, for 2 days and go through the factory floors. Of course, this is where they build their travel trailers, motorhomes, bungalows, fifth wheels, that kind of thing. We took a few videos of some of the production lines, and I have to say that we were extremely impressed with the energy and precision of the staff that assembled these units. Jayco began building RVs back in 1968. About 3/4 of its 3,200 person workforce is from the Amish and Mennonite communities of Indiana. Jayco provided us with a moderator through each line, explaining in detail not only the process involved, but also showing us how they go above and beyond what the other manufacturers implement. Jayco is one of the only RV manufacturers that have their own research and design facility. They have got more than 60 in-house engineers, which is really nice because they do listen to their customers and their frontline salespeople when it comes to subtle changes and ideas, and if they like it, they will implement it. Every fixture, fabric, and feature has been carefully selected and expertly installed. The result is an aesthetic that's extraordinary and livability that makes travel comfortable and fun. Let's talk a little bit about quality, such as using real wood rather than OSB. Real wood lasts longer, feels sturdier, and is less susceptible to humidity and moisture. When it comes to roofing, their Magnum Truss roof systems withstand 4,500 pounds, 50% more than other roofs. Adding weatherproofing measures bolster durability. Jayco's custom manufactured frames offer higher strength and durability. Their partnership with Goodyear is one for which they are especially proud. All Jayco travel trailers, fifth wheels, and toy haulers come standard with Goodyear Endurance radial special tires. This trailer-specific high-performance tire offers the highest speed rating in the industry and a 6-year pro-rated warranty. At Jayco, they know that the journey is important as the destination. That's why they engineer their motorhomes with a powerful blend of precise handling and renowned stability. They call it J-Ride, and it makes for a much smoother and more enjoyable ride. They build RVs to handle every adventure, then back their products with an industry-leading 2-year limited plus 3-year structural warranty. Now what this means is that you get a full 2-year warranty, which is twice as long as the industry standard, plus an additional 1-year structural warranty. So you'll stay focused on fun. You won't find a better one in the business. Thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.